Hi guys, Tamara Linkowski here, and we are gonna make a Susie Q copycat. So I'll put ding dong / Susie Q in case you're interested. The only thing is this is not gonna have like a chocolate coating, but you can put the chocolate glaze on. So what I'm doing right now, I'm sorry, let me get all this out of the way. I am making a brownie. So I got my 1/4 cup of my chocolate cake mix. Okay, I'm adding the egg whites. I'm adding the Greek yogurt. I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 tablespoons of sweetie, and 2 tablespoons of coconut milk to give it the rich, creamy taste. And we're gonna mix this and microwave it for a couple minutes, okay? Whoops, see my mess? I always make a mess. We're gonna mix this and microwave it a couple minutes. And then we're gonna make the filling. And again, I've got the filling made, but I will tell you how to make the filling while this is going in the microwave. There we go. See how thick it is, guys, and how much you get? This is a lot it gives it a nice brownie texture. We're gonna microwave this and be right back. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm gonna clean this up. Again, this filling, this cream mousse filling, this is like what's inside of a Ding Dong or a Susie Q, okay? What this is 2 cups heavy whipping cream, 4 ounces Philadelphia, a 1/4 cup of sweetie, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And it gives you the perfect taste of the filling that goes inside of a Ding Dong or a Susie Q or a Twinkie, okay? So what I'm gonna do once the brownie comes out, you can just throw it on top and eat it that way, or you can cut it in the middle and put this in the middle, which is really how you're supposed to eat it. But again, you're gonna have to let it cool and then put it on. Do not put it on before you let it cool, because otherwise this is just gonna melt. So we're gonna have to give it a minute to cool off, and then we'll put this on and we'll serve it for everybody to try. It's still going. Anybody got questions? I got customers here. Can I brag about you? Tamara, let me take this off. There's another Tamara in here. She is right there in the tie-dye. How much weight did you lose?
10 pounds in 2 weeks.
She lost 10 pounds in 2 weeks?
Oh, no, actually it was 6 days or something. Wasn't it 6 days? Thursday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It was 5 days.
You, in 5 days? What?
It was 5 days.
You're kidding me.
No, because I started on Thursday, and then I came back the following Tuesday. Boy, I'm
It was.
the following Tuesday, and it was 10 pounds.
Okay, she was down 10 pounds in 5 days. Julie, what about you?
13 and a half.
13 and a half pounds in 2 weeks. So all these videos I'm making for you guys of different things you can try, they're all for weight loss. Don't forget that. And the stories are real. Believe me, we don't make them up. Okay, guys, here's my brownie. See that? Again, it's really, really hot. And what I'm probably gonna do is let this cool, and I'll probably just put the Ding Dong, I'm sorry, I keep saying Ding Dong. Put the cream just on top of it and just enjoy it like that. You can put chocolate chips here. You can put the chocolate glaze that I made. Remember the glaze? If you really, really like Ding Dongs, okay, this is the glaze, and this glaze is super healthy, and this is a topping that you can eat all you want because it's made with coconut oil. So this glaze here is a cup of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons cocoa, a 1/4 cup sweetie, and a 1/4 cup peanut butter. And it makes the most delicious glaze. So if you want to make this more rich, you could put the mousse on top and then the glaze on top of that, and you've got a delicious Susie Q. Okay, guys, we love you. Thanks for watching. Ding dong, Susie Q, whatever. We love you guys. Come visit us. Don't forget, go on healthytreatsmarket.com and look for more recipes like this. You can literally just type it in the search bar. Type like ding dong in the search bar, or Susie Q in the search bar, or Twinkie in the search bar. One thing I'll tell you, the search bar works better when you put one word at a time. So again, like you can just put chocolate. And if you just put chocolate, everything comes up that I use the chocolate cake mix for. Okay, so you can see all the different things you can do with a chocolate cake mix, things like that. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. God bless you.